Let's get right to it. Python has become the gold standard in machine learning, as most of you know. Phone screens and in-person interviews are going to involve a lot of Python questions. You'll need to know the most common questions about Python. Let's cover a few right now. If you're serious about a career in machine learning or data engineering, I'd write these down. How do you install Python? I like the Anaconda distribution. It's simple and includes executables for both Mac and Windows. You could also use a free cloud-based installation like Google Colabs. This answer is simple and provides an overview with tons of real-world insight on how to install Python. You've also provided the interviewer with an alternative to using Python locally, an approach many companies are moving to. Next up, what are the two core version forks? The 2x and the 3x fork. What's a library in Python? It's a group of pre-bundled code you import into your environment that extends the functionality of the language. The key word here is import. It's used to import the library into your environment for use. Python is dynamically typed. What does that mean? There's no need to declare a variable with the data type. The Python interpreter will identify the data type based on the value of the variable. Next up, Python is cross-platform compatible. What does that mean? A Python program written on a Windows system will also run on a Linux system with no other modifications at all. Which data types are supported in Python? Python has 5 standard data types: numbers, strings, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. What's the difference between a tuple and a list? Both lists and tuples are made up of elements, which are values of Python data types. However, these data types have several differences. Lists are mutable, while tuples are immutable. Mutable means changeable. Lists are created with square brackets, while tuples are enclosed in parentheses. Lists are also slower than tuples. Next up, what's the difference between a single equal sign and a double equal sign in Python? A single equal sign is assignment. A double equal sign is equality. You'll see this one in every interview. What's a dictionary in Python? A dictionary is one of the pre-built data types in Python. It defines an ordered mapping of unique key values. Dictionaries are indexed by keys, and the key values can be valid data types, even user-defined classes. Notably, dictionaries are mutable, which means they can be modified. A dictionary is created using curly braces and indexed using square bracket notation. This was a short list, but I suggest you memorize these. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.